Hi everyone, this is Cici and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to open another box of happiness. This is the box of happiness that we are going to open on this video. Ito yung name and cell phone number ng seller. So, it comes from the same seller that we have unboxed last Saturday. Jackie Potter. Ito yung FB page niya. So, please visit and follow their page and try watching their live. I strongly recommend this seller because napakaganda ng kanila mga plants, especially the variegated Gymnocalcium. And also, napakabait din ni seller and masaya yung live selling nila. Nagbibigay din sila ng freebies. So, ito, one of the freebies is a Chinese money yata ito na it gives luck when you put it in the wallet. According to the Chinese yun, ha? Hindi according sa akin yan. So, yun. Thank you, seller, for the freebie. I-unbox muna natin yung box. Tanggalin muna natin yung mga variegated Gymnocalcium dun sa box bago ko i-flex sa inyo. So, ito yung first layer, yung mga maliliit ang nasa ibabaw. So, tanggalin muna natin sila lahat sa box and then later on, i-flex ko sa inyo isa-isa yung variegation ng mga variegated Gymnocalcium. So, this box is quite expensive. It's my Christmas gift for myself. It is pricey, but I'm happy with all the things or all the variegated Gymnocalcium that I bought from Jackie Potter. So, ito yung laman nung nasa ilalim. It's big sizes of variegated Gymnocalcium. Let's put out all the variegated Gymnocalcium out of the box first. Then, I'm going to flex it one by one para makita niyo yung ganda ng variegation. So let's start with this multicolor. It's a perfect variegation already. It's very nice. I bought this for 350 pesos and hindi ako nagsisisi. Why? Because it's big size. It's a perfect bar. Napakamahal ng perfect bar ngayon sa market. Yung iba nga mas maliit pa, mas mahal pa eh. And this one, I bought this I think for 150 pesos. It's big size. It can be potted to a 5 inches pot. So, I was not expecting that ganito siya kalaki. So, nagulat ako kasi ang laki pala niya. Kaya pala sinasabi ni seller na you need to pot it in a 5 inches pot. Kasi, minsan kasi sasabihin ng ibang seller, di ba, malaki. Pero pagdating sa'yo, yung malaki na ina-expect mo is maliit, di ba, ganun. So, si seller napaka-honest niya. Pag may scar, sinasabi din niya. Pagka hindi perfect yung form, ganun. So, mabait si seller. Tapos, napaka-shiny, napakalinis, napakaganda niya magpa. Kaya nga, lagi kong sinasabi sa mga vlog ko, pag ang unboxing ko, is from Jackie Potter is that I strongly recommend this seller. So, this is the third time na nag-order ako. So, if you are interested to check out their FB page, pinost ko kanina dun sa vlog, sa umpisa, yung FB page nila, it's Jackie Potter. They have their live selling during Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But mostly, it's Saturday and Sunday. So, gabi, usually it starts from 9 p.m. hanggang madaling araw. Kung hanggang saan ang kaya ng powers ni seller. Actually, I got this seller or the information of the seller from one of my YT friends na tinag niya ako, si Cici Mitch. Hi, Cici Mitch, thank you. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa'yo, hindi rin ako makakabili sa napakabait at napakagagandang variegated Gymnocalcium sa seller na to. So, please do check out our channel. It's Everything Nice at Mitch, Succulent Love. Napaka-informative And napakagaganda ng collection ni Sisi Mitch. Kung nagagandahan kayo sa collection ko, mas maganda yung sa kanya, honestly speaking. Kasi iba-ibang variety talaga at saka medyo pricey talaga yung collection niya. Kasi ang akin naman, kung ano lang yung kaya ng budget ko for now, is yun lang muna yung binibili ko. Syempre hindi naman natin kailangan makipag-compete sa kanila. So kung ano lang yung kaya nating bilhin, yun lang yung kaya nating i-vlog. So yun lang, ganun lang naman ako. And also, I also have another friend, si Jeremy Hermano. Please do subscribe to her channel. Meron din siya variegated gym, no calcium, super kabuto or asaphytum asterias. Meron din siya mga succulents. Same with everything nice at Meat Succulent Love. So, do check out their channel and subscribe. Don't forget to click also the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga vlogs nila. And syempre, huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko. And click the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong vlog. So, everyday naman yung vlog ko. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Except for Wednesday and Saturday, medyo iba yung oras kasi I joined a group where we do have premiere. Kaya yung admin yung nagsaset kung anong time yung aming premiere. So, yun lang. So, enjoy watching while I'm flexing the variegation of the variegated gymnocalycium that I have bought from this seller, Chucky Potter. So kahit na flex ko na sila up close sa inyo, I still wanted to show you a close-up look of each one of them. Enjoy watching! So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.